I catch the bus from Nashar Road in Birkirkara, so it's quite a busy road. I was waiting for the bus to work, and at that moment I was listening to some music with only one earphone in my ear at the time. So to a certain extent, I could hear what was going on around me. Um, and then after a few moments, I heard what sounded like it was like a gunshot in the background, but at that time, I didn't think it was anything. I don't expect to hear something like that in the morning on the way to work, if you know what I mean. And so I didn't expect it to be real. And then around maybe 100 meters away from me, I saw people running and people panicking, and I was I was a bit in shock. I wasn't sure what was going on, and I only noticed what happened because there were two people who ran my way in panic and screaming that a man got shot, and it was quite surreal to me. I didn't think anything like that. I would experience or witness anything like that. So I wasn't really sure what I was going to do at that point. It was it was a bit of a weird situation to be in. Scary, but quite weird. I walked off to another bus stop. I wasn't so sure what to do at that point. I was so shocked. I wasn't sure if I should go and see what was happening, if maybe the person who shot him was still there where he was, the state of the man who got shot. It was surreal, honestly. I didn't believe it at all.